Yes, this is the only IM which have no section cutoff. I still remember I was in Nagpur taking the workshop, and when this college did this IM, the result was out, and a lot of students got the call. I got calls, I got call. 4-5 students got the call, and then one of them told, "Sir, मैं तो पूरा math को छोड़ के आया था." He left complete quant का section and still got the call from this IM. So any guess? I'll try to show you a few photos. Let's see if you can guess the college. This is one of the baby IMs, obviously, and very beautiful red building. So let's see if you can guess the college. Any guess? Yeah, मैंने यहाँ पे नाम थोड़ा छुपा दिया इसका, so that you can try to guess the college. Yeah, so the college which we're talking about is obviously IM Rohtak. Last year, till last to last year, IM Rohtak was a part of the cap round, so all the IMs were from the same logic. So there used to be section cutoff, and then you'll get a call, common for all the IMs. Last year, IM Rohtak went away. No, we'll have our own process because they want to select their own students. Fine. So for that point of view, they went away with the section cutoff. There is no section cutoff. In fact, I strongly believe that there should be at least, if not 10, at least 5 IMs out of total 20 IMs where there should not be any section cutoff. Yeah, how can you define my management skill if I can't perform in one area? For example, I couldn't perform in quant, I couldn't perform in DI logic, couldn't perform in verbal. Doesn't mean I can be a bad manager. ठीक है, तुम ले लो यार, तुम ये रतन टाटा हर एक का जाके ले लो, उदय कोटक, स्पेशली द सेकंड जनरेशन एंटरप्रेन्योर जो हैं, मतलब जिसके डैडी ने तैयार किया और दे आर नाउ एक्सपेंडिंग द बिजनेस, उनका टेस्ट लेके देख लो. आई कैन बेट हाफ ऑफ द विल फेल इन वन ऑफ द अदर एरियाज. या सो अगर वो नहीं पास करते तो हमसे तुम क्यों उम्मीद करते हो? वाई टू परफॉर्म इन एवरी सेक्शन? अगेन आई एम सेइंग नॉट एवरी IM. Yes, you can keep 10 IMs, 15 IMs for that purpose कि मैथ स्ट्रॉन्ग है, वर्बल स्ट्रॉन्ग है. 5 IMs should be there without any section cutoff. In fact, every IM should have their own criteria here. This is what I feel. How you feel about this, please do comment. So with this, let's look at the cutoffs. So this is a section cutoff without any other demand. This was the cutoff required to get the call. General category 95 percentile. You touch 95 percentile, you will get the call. EWS 90, OBC A 78, 55, 30, DAP 30. So imagine if you are a OBC category student at 78, if you get 80 percentile, you will get the IM call. Open category 95 plus, all of you will get the IM call. Yeah, so don't need to worry about that. This was a process last year. Now we don't know whether this year they'll continue with this or not. I think they should continue because this bring in the popularity. Overnight, IM Rohtak was in demand because imagine you are somebody who have not cleared section cutoff but just touch this number is going to get the call. तो वो अच्छा है कि बुरा है? Obviously अच्छा है. Yeah, so that's what my belief is. There should be some colleges which there is no section cutoff. Yeah, what do you say about that? यार SP Jain को देखो यार, SP Jain have a cutoff of 85 percentile. Yes, for profile based call only 85 percentile. And if I compare it with IM Ahmedabad, cutoff 90, if even for open category engineer GEM 99.5 percentile is not enough to get the call. If you look at the average package of both the colleges, average package is 25 lakhs, average package is 26 lakhs. So almost barabar hi hai yaar. So SP Jain have proved that your marks does not matter at all. Your CAT CET score doesn't matter at all in your performance. If your profile is strong, I think you should give a call at a lower percentile as well. Okay, so these are section cutoff we need, and average salary of IM Rohtak is 12 lakh. This year average salary is touching 12 lakh and the fees is 16 lakh. Fees obviously same for every college. यार अभी आजकल हर college का fees is almost same only. Yeah. So how you feel about this? Please do comment. I don't mind starting a change.org petition for that. Keep let's change the criteria. 5 IMs. We don't mind. Give us baby IMs only यार. लेकिन 5 IMs should be there. Or 1 main IM, 2 new IMs and 2 baby IMs where there is no section cutoff. Trust me यार, तुम करके देख लो यार, तुम IM इंदौर, IM लखनऊ और IM कोझिकोड, one of them if they remove section cutoff, they'll see the quality of student going up as well. या मुझे ऐसा लगता है, आपको कैसा लगता है? प्लीज़ डू कमेंट. ऑल द बेस्ट.